Hey guys, Amanda with Rich & Sons. We've got our show going on still, and so we're highlighting some of the units that we have in our indoor heated showroom. This is the Cougar 316. It is a full-size Cougar, and it's got a lot of perks, so let's take a look inside. So you'll see this has a really spacious living room with double slides, a lot of counter space. Then the residential refrigerator, we do still have a few with the RV refrigerator. Nice big fridge and pantry. It's always important when you want to store things. Table and chairs. This is probably my favorite part of this floor plan when they redid it, was the bathroom. Tons of storage, lots of great space, awesome shower as usual. In the bedroom, you've got your king slide out, lots of great storage again, washer dryer prep, and the dresser at the end. Couple of things that I can't show you is the 0 to 110 degree rating, auto level, and this is run off of an in command, so you can run the slides and everything with your phone, so it's really neat. Like I said, we've got our show going right now. It does end on the 30th. We've got this price, your best price, $45,999. And we give an additional $1,500 in savings off of Cougars right now. So come down and see us if you're looking to go camping this spring. It's time to start now. Campers are going very quickly, and we want to save you some money. We'll talk to you later.